What's up guys, Bennett here. In this video, going over Crypto.com and Cronos updates. I'm first going to cover this story right here, going over the latest Defy Wallet updates for September 30th, then taking a look at the last Cronos roadmap update, which came out just about 2 days ago, which is really chocked full of great information. I'm then going to head over to DeFi Llama and take a look at the other chains and let you know what I think about Cronos. I'm going to take a look at some other updates regarding Elrond, how Crypto.com is supporting the Theta network, and also how they are enhancing their NFT experience. And finally taking a look at the price of CRO and let you guys know what I think. So let's start out right here going over the Defy Wallet updates. Now the Defy Wallet is something that I've been using for a long time, and I'll be making more videos on it and how it all works. I will let you guys know that I have been really diving into CRO Swap, and I will make a new video about that in the future, going over why I think this is a really awesome exchange. And no, this is not a paid ad, just letting you know that I am diving into this DEX. So first, Minted Vault integration in DeFi Earn. Minted is a decentralized marketplace to discover, buy, and sell NFTs on Kronos and Ethereum networks. So Crypto.com DeFi Wallet has integrated with OpenSea, as you can see right here. Now let's take a look at the roadmap. Now this is very exciting. I'm going to go through this, read this for you, what I have highlighted, and let you guys know what I think about it. So this is the roadmap for September 2022. It says during the first semester of this year, Kronos achieved all-time highs of more than 900,000 users, more than 300 dApps, $4.8 billion in USD in total value locked, and 480,000 transactions per day. Kronos is firmly established as a top 10 chain, as you can see here on DeFi Llama. Right now for TVL, total value locked, it is number 9. But what they want to do is continue to build and prepare for the next bull market. And how are they going to do this? They want to deliver scalable tech to onboard the next billion people into Web3. This will be made possible by advances at the Kronos protocol level, but also through our continued partnership with Crypto.com and the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. And this all ties into the price of CRO, which I will cover again at the end of this video. They also want to foster a sustainable DeFi, NFT, and Web3 gaming ecosystem. So gaming was something that really took off kind of at the end of the bull market last year. And I believe we have just gotten started with gaming. And NFTs, I believe, are going to come back a lot as well. So Kronos came out of beta. Now this is pretty recent. This tweet was from Kronos chain on September 22nd, so about a week and a half ago or so, saying that we are pleased to announce that Kronos is moving out of beta, 50 million plus transactions successfully completed, 300 plus dApps, close to 1 million users, time to start a new chapter. And this leads me right to the roadmap for the next few quarters. I'll cover more of this as this Medium article continues. So the North Star, as they call it, Kronos aims to scale DeFi, NFT, and metaverse apps massively and facilitate frictionless end user experience. Crypto.com, and as they call it, a Kronos strategic partner. So I am seeing a separation between Crypto.com, like you have the debit cards, for example, and also Kronos. They are really separating the two, which I actually think is a good thing. Crypto.com is very mainstream. They have the debit cards, they have a very simple to use app on your phone, and then you get into the degen DeFi stuff, which is Kronos and all the chains and going over all the different dApps and all the NFTs and the metaverse and the gaming, right? So Crypto.com announced in May that they have more than 50 million users worldwide. We want to empower this large CRO fam community and provide them with the tools to experience the full promise of self-custody, very important, DeFi, and Web3 gaming. Our approach is all about interoperability and cooperation. So working between chains. Now Kronos is very good at that, which I'll cover later in this Medium article. So like I talked about, they moved out of beta on September 22nd. The block size has been increased to 4x from 10 million gas to 40 million, further improving the scalability of Kronos chain. The fee market module has introduced a dynamic fee structure to the network in order to manage potential future congestion. So they are working to make sure fees do not get crazy. Like you guys remember with Ethereum, the fees at one point in the height of the bull market, often $500, $1,000 to do a simple swap. It was crazy. Also, Kronos is carbon neutral. Now, whatever you think about the climate change and all that, it doesn't really matter because we know that chains that are carbon neutral, that are not polluting the environment, which a lot of people say that Bitcoin is doing, those will be more highly adopted, especially by governments and by central authorities to want to use their chains in global commerce. So I think that's a very good thing. But they say there is still significant room to increase the scalability of current Kronos tech by meme pool prioritization. I'm not going to read all this, just going over the highlights. Further increase of block size, storage optimization at an infrastructure level, and the reduction of node startup time. These optimizations, they said, taken together, should allow Kronos to reach similar transaction throughput as most of the other top EVM-compatible Layer 1 and Layer 2 chains. So taking a look at DeFi Llama, they basically are saying, hey, what we're doing is laying the foundation to compete with all of these other Layer 1 chains and Layer 2s as well. So they're talking about the next phase of protocol and database scaling, which will help onboard hundreds of millions of Web3 users and support the high network traffic that they suspect the next bull market is going to generate, which I completely agree. So they want to continue to support EVM compatibility. EVM, if you're unfamiliar, stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine. So basically, they want to make sure that Kronos works with Ethereum, basically saying that Ethereum is most likely going to remain the top Layer 1 protocol. They also want to reliably deliver high transaction throughput, and they want to leverage open source projects. They're also talking about Kronos rollups, which I'm not going to get too much into, but all I can say is they are doing quite a bit, and I'll share my final thoughts at the end of this video. Also taking a look at connectivity and interoperability. So they say from day one, users have been free to move their holdings between Kronos and every major chain via their Crypto.com account. So a couple things they're doing this year and next year. They are doing the Kronos Ecosystem Grants Program, also the Kronos Accelerator, which is helping startups get funding, and also hackathons. They are increasing the functionality of wallets. You can see here all the different wallets that Kronos actually works in, Kronos Play, and dApp development frameworks. So a few days ago on the 30th, it says Crypto.com app and exchange to support Elrond network upgrade. So one thing I like about the app and exchange, they are always doing the upgrades that all the other chains require. On the 28th of September, they said Crypto.com app and exchange to support the Theta network upgrade and hard fork. And here on the 27th of September, they're talking about enhancements to the Crypto.com NFT platform. So one thing I like about Crypto.com and Kronos is that they are basically trying to be the number one and compete in all the different aspects. So we have Web3, we have gaming, we have NFTs, we have interoperability between chains, we have a very easy to use wallet on your phone, we have the Defy Wallet, all the dApps. They are basically competing with the other Layer 1s very, very aggressively. And taking a look at the price right now, I just want to mention this before I end the video. So yeah, the price is not doing well, but the entire market is not doing well. So it's very important not to get fixated on the price of a token because, well, we know what's going on with the rest of the market and the global market. So yeah, it's down 88%, but that's not surprising and that doesn't bother me because it's really important to look at what a project is doing and how they are continuing to grow and expand and what they're doing in a bear market. You know, right now we're in a bear market, obviously, and it's really the projects that really continue to crank out new features and improve upon the features they already have. And those are the projects that are going to kill it in the next bull market, which we will have. And taking a look at DeFi Llama, taking a look at all the chains, we have Kronos sitting at number 9 for total value locked. For Kronos, you can see that the 1 month change is actually down quite a bit, 20%, but there is so much movement happening that I'm not surprised. Even Polygon is down 16% over the last 1 month. And really it comes down to what I said before, just how much they are growing and what are they doing in this bear market. So I am very bullish on Crypto.com, Kronos, and also the token of CRO. I think in the next bull market, this will definitely break new all-time highs, which would be well over $1. And I think it'll go, easily into $5 or $10, but definitely not financial advice. That could take a while. We don't know when the global economy is going to basically shift. It could take a while, guys. So I wouldn't hold your breath on this. All right, guys, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you want more Crypto.com Kronos content, and I will come at you with the latest DEXs, including a video on CRO Swap very, very soon. All right, guys, talk with you soon, and bye for now.